Alright, up on 4 now, sit down. I'm not riding with service today. Nothing much to see there. I've already pretty much seen everything with it. Another interior. I'll tell you what, I'll ride this. I'll take one round trip on that. Oh, it just dropped a little bit there.